Hey, what's up, Vechain Holders? So what's going on? Today video is going very special because Vechain completely broke down my target. So therefore I'm very sad, my friend. Today broke down my target. But what's the reason why they broke down my target, my friend, and why Vechain completely fails down? This is one big reason I told you in this video, my friend. If you can see here, the target is very simple and very easy target. This is not a very big high target, and this is everything, my friend. You can see here the technical analysis. You can see here completely they starting moving up. First line, my friend, you can see here present the highest point. Second line presents the lowest point, my friend. And you can see here the target, if they're moving at this circulation completely, my friends, they go into this target. But I can't believe it. How is it possible to here at this point, my friends, they completely fails down and they broke my target. So here, my friend, if you can see here, if they change at this circulation exactly, my friend, they are completely they cannot give you a very big problem, my friend. They are in the loss. But if they come to this point exactly, my friend, they move in the off and they completely go in the moon and they make you a millionaire. But if they continuously moving at this for this method, my friend, then absolutely they are good, going good. But they cannot moving straight, my friends. They broke my heart. They completely broke my target. They fails down here, my friend. So let's see, my friend. The second chart is very important. You can see here, my friend. If they change occur in the 20 and in the last day of a frail, my friend, then absolutely you can see here after this point they fails down more and more. But they cannot fails down. They take a very high jump in the last day. So it's definitely, my friend, every cryptocurrency is going up like a rocket at the end of month. So therefore I think Vechain also take a very big jump. But after that, my friends, they also fails down. But you can see here after this fell, my friends, they starting moving again up. So therefore I draw this chart and I make a new target for Vechain. But definitely you can see here the target is absolutely going very good, my friend. But this time you can see here they fails down. So why they fails down, my friend? Let's see to why they fails down. I everything explained in this video. Kindly before I start this video, I request you to subscribe ABS Tech channel. Please click out the subscribe and press bell icon for videos notification. Okay, my friends, come to the point. This time if we check out, my friends, the latest updates to what's going on in the Vechain, my friends, then we understand to Vechain in upcoming days for fails down more or they going up. So let's see, my friend. I open the latest chart of the live charts of Vechain, my friend. Please before I get started, I request you to subscribe this channel. Yes, exactly, my friend. The last 3 days chart is a negative. You can see here, and I already show you on the chart, my friend. This time you can see the last 3 days chart is on the negative, minus 1.17%. They fails down, but you can see here, here is also continuously this process. But after this, you can see here they fails down. So definitely, my friend, this is the point to they fails down. And the reason, as I already explained you, my friend, to this is the start of month. In the first week, every cryptocurrency fails down. I know, but I think the Vechain is not of this, my friend, because Vechain is moving off like a rocket also in those days. But my expectation is also very good for Vechain. So therefore, my target is very high. But I cannot expect this to they fails down. But anyway, my friend, I hope after this fails, they also take a good jump. So wait for a good time and wait for my latest updates. Kindly subscribe this channel and press bell icon for latest updates. Thank you so much, Vechain holder. Please like this video, subscribe this channel.